Awning motor. Take two.
Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our family, and we are off-grid on Friday.
So far so good. There is a red wire and a white wire, which is okay, because the coupling looks good. Alright, let's get started. It always helps to have a magnetic screwdriver tip on those deep socket areas. Alright. That was the last of 4 screws. One here, one there, one here, one there. Some models may come with more. Ours came with these 4 screws. And there's a little slot right here that fits a screwdriver. Just kind of pop that loose. This casing comes off. And we can take a look at what we have. 3 mounting bolts to the connector right here. It should also be noted, it's very important to have a very stable ladder when you're doing ladder work by yourself, like I'm doing right now. Before, I was using a wooden ladder, 6 foot, over 30 years old. All the brackets and tightenings were loose, couldn't be retightened, and a lot of the wood was cracking. It was very unstable, and I almost fell off a bunch of times. I'm convinced that's how I'm gonna die. I digress. I got myself a better ladder, 8 foot aluminum, very light, very easy to use, perfect for this job, perfect for the height of the work. And now I'm gonna get to it. Told you, that's how I die. So let's note, when you disengage the gears, it's gonna come all the way out. So my beautiful wife is trying to help me find one of these that flew away. I'm not quite sure if there was a 4th, but there are 4 posts within the gears, the gearbox, and I've only found 3. They were all close together, but like you just witnessed, that thing flipped right on open, and it could be anywhere. I just found it. Woo! I just found the 4th one. Thank you, Jesus. I just found it. I just found it. Oh my goodness. All 4 cogs are there. We are ready to go. Alright, this is the new motor. Alright, it is part number 373566. It's a 12 volt DC, 75 RPM. Alright, I have it lined up. I have that little O-ring in there. Hopefully it stays while I'm messing with it. Let's see if we can get this thing lined up. There we go. Now something I should have done in the first place. Let's see if these actually marry up. And they do. They do. Awesome. Alright. Hopefully that'll work with the case. Let's go ahead and test it out. The trick is to not drop the wing nut like I always do. There's a noise if you can hear it. There was a little bit of a spark if you could see it. We have power. Let's try and retract. Goodness. Okay, let's troubleshoot. Maybe charging the batteries worked. I'm not going to pretend like I know why it's working right now. I'm going to pause right now and get the actual brains of the operation and see what she thinks. I'm retracting it. It's working. I don't know if the charging it worked or what. But do you think I should take the ropes off and see if it holds?
Yeah?
Yeah.
For it.
Alright. Alright, I'm going to continue to retract it, see if it works. So for some reason the gears aren't biting and it's letting it retract all the way out. That's obviously an issue. Let's go check out the other side. Well, well, well. An inline fuse. Cut power and take a look at it. I cut the shore power and I cut the battery cables off. Take a look at this fuse. Doesn't actually look bad. It's a 3. Fuse is in. Let's just see what happens. More of the same, looks like. Dude, I can't. It's the same thing. I changed the motors out, changed the gears, and or move the gears around, and
Yeah.
I'm just kind of stuck, man. I don't really know what else.
That sucks.
It's just so weird. I can hear it running, but it's not grabbing, which I would think would be a mechanical issue, but
Right.
at this point, what do I know?
See this. And that. I'm almost wondering if do we have this wrong? It doesn't fit very well that way.
That gasket fits in there like that,
Okay.
and then this one goes over it like this. Looks good on the bottom, looks flush on the bottom. So you get a screw in there, tighten it up so it won't have any ideas about coming out. Tighten it a little bit, just a little bit. Go ahead.
Yeah. What's it been doing?
Well, wait a minute. Push that button again, please. Just for a couple of seconds. Oh, okay. Okay, stop. Let's take it back off and take another look. All right. Now this whole thing should turn. Wait a minute. There's something funny going on there. You see what I see?
And it's not flat,
Look at that, it's worn off right there.
so it's just
There's
spinning
one.
around.
That's what's wrong. Look at that. That's what's wrong. That thing is worn down.
Man.
Look at it from this side and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Look how it gets thinner as it comes out. Yep, that's what's wrong. Doggone it. This piece is okay, but that piece is worn off. See, I was wondering, why is that turning like this? That's why. Well,
crazy. That's
okay,
wild.
you know what your mystery is now.